Hi everyone, welcome back to my crochet channel. Today we're making a cute fish keychain, perfect for keys or bags. So please like, subscribe, prepare 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm hook. Watch until the end and let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight and keep your stitches neat for a clean center. Next, round 2, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times. Take it slow and count your stitches to keep the shape even. For round 3, crochet, single crochet, increase, single crochet, and repeat this sequence 3 times. This round helps the fish body grow smoothly. In round 4, crochet 3 single crochets, then increase and repeat 3 times. Try to keep your tension consistent for a nice rounded form. From round 5 to round 8, crochet 15 single crochets in each round. Relax your hands and enjoy the rhythm these rounds build the main body of the fish. For round 9, crochet 3 single crochets, then decrease and repeat this 3 times. You'll start to see the tail area forming. Next, round 10, make 6 decreases. Pull each stitch gently to close the shape neatly. For round 11, crochet 6 increases, then slip stitch to finish the round and chain 1. Great job, the body is now complete. Finally, round 12, repeat 3 half double crochets, slip stitch, and skip 1 stitch 4 times to create the tail details. Feel free to adjust your tension to give the tail a playful look. And that's it. Your adorable fish keychain is finished. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your crochet friends, and subscribe for more fun crochet projects. Your support truly means a lot to us. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!